This is the Genesis G80. The G80 steering wheel provides easy access to driver assistance, audio system, and hands-free calling features. The volume control is a scrolling button, which can be scrolled up to increase and scrolled down to decrease the audio volume. To mute and unmute the audio, press in the volume button. The Seek Preset button is a haptic touchpad switch where it reads either a swipe or a swipe and hold command. By swiping and holding in the radio mode, this button auto-seek radio stations that are within the range of reception. The system will keep seeking until the button is released. By swiping right or left on the button in radio mode, you can switch between the preset radio stations. To switch between channels instead, press Setup, then select button Touchpad, and then steering wheel touchpad left-right motion. By swiping and holding in media mode, this button will function as fast-forwarding and reversing the audio track. By swiping in the media mode, it will function as track up or down. The mode button is to change between the media selections, which can be customized by pressing Setup, button Touchpad, Custom button, and then Mode button. From here, you can select the media to be accessed. The voice recognition button can be used for spoken preset commands without having to take your hands off the steering wheel. The call answer button also serves as call end, picking up or hanging up a phone call. Two custom buttons are available on the G80 steering wheel, one on each side. If unassigned, the custom buttons can be pressed to show a list of assignable features. Custom button functions can also be found by pressing Setup, button Touchpad, and then Custom button. The G80's cluster display can be switched between standard, driving assist, and navigation view modes by clicking this button up or down. Pressing the same button in will change the cluster gauge modes between analog and digital. On the left side of the steering wheel is the driving assist button. Pressing this will activate or deactivate Smart Cruise Control or Highway Driving Assist at the current speed. After activation, pressing the Vehicle Distance button will then cycle through 4 different preset distances that your G80 will maintain to the vehicle in front. To change the speed of Smart Cruise Control or Highway Driving Assist, press this switch up or down immediately to alter by 1 mile per hour. Pressing and holding the switch either up or down alters speed in 5 mile per hour increments instead. Pressing the switch can also pause and resume Smart Cruise Control or Highway Driving Assist. By quickly pressing the Lane Driving Assist button, you can turn on or off the Lane Following Assist function. By pressing and holding the Lane Driving Assist button, you can turn on or off the Lane Keeping Assist function. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.